Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel, your go-to destination for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we have an exciting laptop to dive into, the HP 14 inches IPS FHD display laptop. Let's get right into it. The HP 14 laptop comes packed with some impressive specifications, making it an excellent choice for various computing needs. Let's break down what sets this laptop apart. First up, the brains of this machine, the processor. It's powered by an Intel N200 processor, which can turbo boost up to 3.7 GHz and boasts 4 cores. That means you'll have plenty of processing power for your tasks. The display is a gorgeous 14-inch IPS anti-glare Full HD screen, with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and 250 nits of brightness. Expect vibrant visuals and sharp details for your work and entertainment. HP has upgraded the RAM on this laptop to a whopping 16 GB, ensuring smooth multitasking, whether you're running multiple applications or browsing with numerous tabs open. But that's not all. The storage has been supercharged with a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, providing speedy boot-ups, lightning-fast data transfers, and ample file storage. When it comes to connectivity, this laptop has you covered. It features 1x USB Type-C, 2x USB Type-A, 1x HDMI 1.4, and a headphone-microphone combo jack. Whether you need to connect external devices or hook up to a larger display, it's got the ports you need. The HP 14 laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home in S mode. This means you'll enjoy the latest features and security enhancements from Microsoft right out of the box. HP is known for its build quality, and this laptop is no exception. It's sleek and stylish in a silver finish, making it perfect for work or play. Plus, it's incredibly portable, weighing just 3.09 pounds and measuring 0.70 inches thin. Your multimedia experience is enhanced with stereo speakers, providing clear audio. And when it comes to virtual meetings or video chats, the laptop comes equipped with an HP TrueVision 1080p FHD webcam with a privacy shutter. Battery life is crucial for a laptop on the go, and this one doesn't disappoint. With its 3-cell, 41 Wh lithium-ion prismatic battery, you can expect up to 9 hours of usage on a single charge. In summary, the HP 14 inches IPS FHD display laptop combines powerful performance, a stunning display, ample RAM and storage, and a sleek design, all in a portable package. Whether you're working, studying, or enjoying multimedia, this laptop has you covered. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech reviews and recommendations.